guys, welcome to today's video. Happy Thanksgiving. Today is actually Thanksgiving for me. I'm gonna go ahead and I picked up some metal yesterday to build some sliders. So I do need to change the seal in my trans where the pump is. Still having a small leak there. I picked up the part, but I really just don't want to do that for Thanksgiving and tomorrow. So I'm gonna probably wait another week on that. So I picked up some metal yesterday. It's 1 3/4 by 11 gauge. So I've already got these pieces cut. These will be the main part of the length of the rockers, and then I'll have some pieces coming off of it. Did some angle cuts to go with the fender, and we're gonna be working on that more tomorrow. But for today, I went and had my drive shaft balanced yesterday. Still having some small vibration at high speed after rebuilding the diff, doing U-joints on the drive shaft. And that stuff took care of most of it, but still at like 65, 70, I'm getting some small constant vibration. So I think that balancing it will fix it, and we're gonna put that back in. He said that it was out of balance and the U-joints also needed to be balanced. This is the one with, it's got one U-joint here and then the knuckle design with 2 U-joints. So this is in the later Grand Cherokee, I think 02 or 01 to 04. That's the better design than the CV style, which is good, but just kind of rebuilt that, and hopefully the balance will fix my vibration.